Good morning, world. I have a great shot over me. Frodo. Apparently, Frodo thinks it's there. It's bath time this morning. Mr. Teether. Getting all slobbery over here, aren't ya? I was grabbing his passy this morning after putting him down. Put him down on his back. Turned around. He was on his belly. He rolled, and I didn't even get to see it.
I'm home with a child. Hey. Hayden. Hey. Is that you? He's super chill right now. So, I just got back from the gym. I've taken a shower. And I don't work tonight. It's technically my Friday. But because at work, things have changed up for the day. I get to work tomorrow morning. Or Friday morning. Yeah. Is that cool or what? Yeah. So, I have to stay up all day. Or I have to take a nap and then sleep again tonight. Won't do that. So, to help myself, iced coffee! With actual coffee frozen. It's really good. That'll keep me awake. I don't drink coffee normally, so this will help a ton. Ain't that right? Is that a bird? Okay, so this is my dog Frodo. We want to show you what he's been learning. He is a year old now. He just turned 1. Frodo, stay. He's very interested in what's going on over there. Is mommy being funny? What? Hi. But yeah, that's our dog. It's kind of cute. Stay. We're gonna play some fetch with him. Frodo loves to play fetch. This is his favorite toy, as you can see. It's an adorable dog. We love him. You ready to play fetch? You ready to play fetch? Yep, no, stay. He's a good dog. Are you ready to play fetch? Are you ready to play fetch? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Sit. Obviously you're sitting. Stay. Here we go. Okay.
Hey, Mama's boy. We're out enjoying some outside time together while Daddy plays with the dog. Huh? He's just extra cuddly right now. Ugh. Like, look at the ground. Whoop, he sees Frodo. There's Frodo. Say go, Frodo, go!
Samurai. Frodo. Dog. Okay. So, hi, sweetie. So the other day, I was looking out from the kitchen window, and I noticed something in our front yard. Those pink flowers over there. They're not showing up very well in the vlog, but they're very pink. From the kitchen window, they looked like flamingos. Now, if you all recall, the woman, not the child, the woman is afraid of flamingos, like deathly afraid. We would have a vlog for you of said fear, but the camera was lost to the world. Well, somebody has it.
Therefore, the footage is gone as well.
So we can't show that. That's why we're using iPhones now, because we don't have a camera. When I saw that, I was like, why are there flamingos in Michigan? Hi, car. Bye, car. And then we have our cute little puppy. He's just chilling. He's being a good puppy and just laying still.
Did you get excited? Did you get excited?
Oh, bye!
So it's been like 3 hours since our last clip. Maybe more. I finished cleaning the bedroom. John took care of the baby during that time. And then I honestly don't know everything I've done. And then the baby and I laid in bed and we played together for a while. Hence the nice red splotchy area because he scratched me. It was so sweet of him. So now John and I are having healthy selfie dinner. He's making himself yummy pizzas. And I'm making egg baskets. And then Clara, she's somewhere doing her own thing. She's gonna make her own food too, I guess.
And like one of the things we realized was that actually what we're doing right now. Like,
here is my finished pizzas. So what I did was, we already had tomato sauce, because my dad made some amazing food yesterday. I don't know what it was. But nonetheless, a chicken parmesan with pizza sauce.
I like that.
Anyways, so I took that leftover pizza sauce. So I'm pretty sure I may have put a little bit too much cheese and sauce on there. But it looks pretty darn good to me.
Looks this delicious to me. Ugh, I can't talk. I already finished my food.
I just starting mine. Meow. We forgot to say goodbye. Goodbye. We of Meeker Family Vlogs have some helpful tips to improve the overall quality of your YouTube experience. Like Meeker Family Vlogs. By liking our page, you improve the morale of us YouTubers. It helps us make better quality videos. Have more fun. Do better jobs. We want to help you by doing better. Subscribe to Meeker Family Vlogs. By subscribing to us, you get to join us in our family as we continue to vlog all over Western Michigan and anywhere else we go. We want you to be a part of our family. It's very important to us. Ring that bell. When you ring that bell, YouTube lets you know every time we post a new video. It's like mom telling you it's time for dinner. She rings that bell, it's time for new vlogs. Please join us for more Meeker Family videos.